Hey guys, let's make this frittata. So this one is the green frittata version. So it has spinach, which makes the green, mixed with the eggs. Courgette, broccoli, green pepper, anything green really. Green beans, and I'm gonna add something yellow. Sweet potato, just to give that sweetness a bit. Oh, I could have put onions as well. Nah, that will do. So, as you can tell, you can be so versatile with all the veggie you want. So the sweet potatoes and the peppers, I'm gonna pan fry it or roast them in the oven with a bit of garlic. Green beans, courgettes. Actually, the courgette will pan fry as well. So broccoli and green beans will be cooked in water, salted water. So I'm gonna make it inside this dish. It's pretty big, 30 centimeter long, and the width is 25. It's quite deep as well. It's 9 centimeter deep. So I'll have a beautiful square, which I will portion big square, high. Or you could do in a round dishes or whatever. But this recipe for this dish use 36 eggs. Quite a lot. Let's get ready our broccoli. So I'm cut them in small little bouquet. Yeah. Now, the green beans, that will go in water. Up. This one we're gonna do little squares. There. Courgettes. Let's cut the skin, 1 out of 2. Yeah, we'll do thin slice like that. Not too thin because those are melting quite quickly. There you go. And then the sweet potato. Little squares as well. Right. Into an oven dish. Olive oil. Salt. Pepper. Then I was thinking I could put some garlic now, but I got some pesto and it's green, so it's ideal. So a bit of garlicky pesto into those veggie in the oven. All right, green beans and broccoli is ready. Just gonna drain it. Beautiful. All right, so while waiting our roasted courgette, peppers, and sweet potatoes, we're gonna mix our eggs with the spinach. I think half a bag. Those are washed, ready to eat, so that's good. Save me to clean them. Let's put some of the 36 eggs in it, not totally everything, and let's mix it. You could use the frozen spinach if you like. Ah, it's not totally green, huh? So I'm gonna put the whole bag. To be fair, if I would have cooked the spinach a little bit before, they would have been much softer, much easier to crush into the eggs. But it's quite nice. I have little pieces of leaves here, and it has turned green, so it works anyway. Let's mix it with the rest of the eggs. Let's use my new toy. Yes, I bought one. It's very nice. All right. Let's mix the rest of the eggs now, yeah? I'm gonna have to transfer it into a bigger bowl because now we're gonna add some cream. So 400 grams of milk. I'm using whole milk. And 400 of whipping cream. There you go. Let's finish mix it. Seasoning. I got 10 grams of salt for this quantity. And black pepper. So this is ready now. We are just waiting for veggie and we can bake it. Well, I'm actually gonna be able to make 2 of those. So guys, sorry. Time to divide the recipe. Yeah, I don't know why I thought that I was making one. It's been a while I haven't made them, so now you know. Right, since I've made too much, I'm gonna use the bigger version. Right, so let's put our veggie. Spread them nicely all over. Those ones are nicely baked now. Spread it evenly. Make sure, like, when you're gonna cut it, you have one veg of each at least. It smells really nice, this pesto. So let's pour our eggs now. Okay, let's bake it at 170 degrees until it's cooked. So basically it's gonna color slightly on top, and you make sure with a knife is well cooked through. If you start coloring too much on top, just put a parchment. Same as baking a cake, really. I can't wait to test that one. There you go. Well, it will take a good hour to bake it anyway, so. But we keep an eye, you know, we never know, because the veg was quite hot, so it might accelerate the whole process. Hey guys, the frittata, I think is done. Yes, it's done. I opened it a little bit with the knife, and it's cooked through. Look at this beautiful green. Wow. I'm gonna let it cool down and definitely cut a slice. Alright guys, it's time to unmold it. Let's take it out of the tray. Ooh. Just gonna turn it around because the paper has moist a lot. I'm just gonna remove that paper, replace it with a new one, turn it back on again. There you go. Much better. Beautiful frittata. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's so light. And this is only the trimming and it's delicious. How are we gonna cut that? In three, yeah. Et voilà. Look at this beauty. You got all the veggie all around. The sweet potato here. Just that yellow dot. Guys, so good. It's delicious. With a little side salad, it would be perfect. Well, yeah. Amazing. That's all.